Oh, over there, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We're back on how to wash your rubber roof if you have one. We installed this rubber roof about 5 or 6 years ago, and every spring, obviously, we have a lot of pollen around here, and the pollen will fall on the roof and then dry. And when it dries, it just sticks to the roof. The good thing about a rubber roof, an EPDM, is that you can pressure wash it. Unlike shingles, you never want to pressure wash shingles. I actually have another video that shows how to wash a roof, shingle roof. This is the best way to wash a rubber roof because you can use the pressure washer. After we wash this roof, we're going to be applying a solution. Sorry about all the noise, but this is the real world. This is what I use. Simple, green, all-purpose cleaner. I want this to be good and clean before we coat it. This customer has asked that we put a white coating on top of his roof. And like I say, this is 6 years later. So we're gonna coat it with not Kool Seal, but we're gonna use Hydro Stop. But before we do, like I say, we wanna clean it real good. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, not much to watch here except for a bunch of pressure washing. And like I say, never ever wash your shingles with a pressure washer. You will destroy your roof. I have videos on how to clean shingles. Go check that out on my video page. How to clean your shingles. This is basically your end result of a wash. Now we'll come back tomorrow and put our white top coat on it. We use a Hydro Stop material, and this black roof will then be white. So stop back tomorrow. I'm going to make a video on how to turn this white. And you can also do the same thing on your mobile home that doesn't have EPDM on it. You need to clean the surface first, or your material that you install on your roof is bonding to the garbage that's going to fall off. So if you don't want to do your roof every year, then clean it properly using some cleaning agents, and then put your material on there. So first thing is cleaning. Be careful if you're getting up on top of your mobile home with a power washer. You do not want to create damage. Never use a power washer on your shingles. Ever. We're going to get down and clean the fascia board before we leave today. Come back tomorrow and put the white overcoat on it. We put this EPDM rubber roof over this mobile home and porch 5 or maybe 6 years ago. Never had a leak since, but the customer feels like he's ready to get this thing painted white. So he called me, asked me if I could do it. Of course I said I could, but this is something you need to know. You cannot put Kool Seal or O. Henry, as far as I know, on EPDM rubber. So the alternative is this is what we will be applying to the EPDM rubber roof that we installed about 6 years ago. Premium acrylic Hydro Stop top coat, made by GAF, 15-year limited warranty. Amazing stuff right here, amazing. So clean it, put this on top,